Alright, we'll look at the screen here and try to read the hours. The on time is 57,200. Load is 54,531. Offline is 2,509. Now 600. 2609 on the offline. And the off time is very hard to read. Looks like 19,905. Yeah, something like that. Total delivery volume, you can only see the bottom half of the letters there, or the numbers. So it's a bit hard to read, but anyway, the reason you hear air hissing is because I have pressure in the tank that it's hooked up to, and these fittings aren't quite tight right here. That hose runs underneath and then to the other side of this tank, and that's up to 95 psi. And turn it on here in a second. It has a VFD and it ramps up slowly. So here we go. Alright, maybe I have to let the air out. Pressure has to be below 90 for it to kick on. I'll let some air out so it won't get right. Here's the percentage of the load. Temp goes to 200 and it just hovers there. It comes back down to like 145 when it's not making air. Stop and counts down. Run on timer. And we've got the side panels there and right there. Those are the pieces that are not on, so we can see it better. I'm trying to see the nameplate of the motor here. I guess it's not visible. Anyway.